In 2025, two programming languages continue to dominate the tech landscape: JavaScript and Python. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skills, choosing the right language is crucial. Let's explore which one suits your goals best. Python is renowned for its simple, readable syntax, making it ideal for beginners. Its code often resembles plain English, which helps new programmers grasp concepts quickly. JavaScript, while slightly more complex, offers flexibility and is essential for web development. Its syntax is more intricate but powerful for creating dynamic web applications. Python excels in data science, machine learning, and automation. It's the go-to language for AI development and scientific computing. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, enabling interactive websites and applications. With frameworks like React and NodeJS, it's possible to build full-stack applications. In 2025, Python developers are in high demand for roles in AI, data analysis, and back-end development. JavaScript developers are sought after for front-end, back-end, and full-stack web development positions. Both languages boast vast communities and resources. Python's community is known for its support in scientific and academic fields. JavaScript's community thrives in the web development sphere, constantly evolving with new frameworks and tools. If you're aiming for a career in data science, AI, or automation, Python is your best bet. If web development excites you, and you want to build interactive websites and applications, JavaScript is the way to go. Ultimately, both languages are powerful and versatile. Your choice should align with your career goals and interests.